Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this new construction over at 425 Costella over in Big Bear Lake. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 425 Costella Lane. And this is over off of Edgemore, which is going to be just on the other side of that house. But basically Costella is this little L-shaped road that comes down right here, comes down right here, and ends right here. You do have one neighbor right here. You've got a couple neighbors this direction, but they're coming in off of Edgemore. So we're going to be looking at new construction here. We just got everything paved really nicely. This is going to be 2 cars that you could easily get here, but you could probably get another 2 behind it. And then this is a road. That is a parcel for that person right there. So let me walk down this way. Oh, I do want to also point out this is an empty lot here too. So right now nobody's built there, but could be somebody coming one day. So new construction, hardy board siding, kind of like a black color with wood touches. And property line going to come all the way over to here, but you're not accessing it off of Edgemore down there. So I'll show you that here in just a moment. So beautiful oiled wood, you can see. It's in beautiful shape. Solar lights to light up the stairs coming up. And then this is Trex decking right here too. So let's go inside. Okay, so here we are at the entrance, kind of like the living room, kitchen, and dining room all in one. So living space is going to be over in this direction. We do have beautiful hardwood floors in here, goes throughout the whole rooms up top, and then we go to tile in the bathroom. Vaulted ceilings with recessed lighting, and then obviously the fire sprinklers too. So here we are, a little kitchen nook right here, nice and sunny. And you're so close to possibly even seeing the lake because it's right here. But this is Edgemore right here, this road. So coming into the kitchen, we have a nice, beautiful quartz countertop with kind of like these interesting gray veins in it. These are a little bit more special than normal. And obviously does have dual pane windows. Cabinetry's all newer, slow close. We do have updated appliances, so dishwasher right here. But then interesting thing, this is a electric stove. So not a gas in here, but this is, I like the colors of it, and it's obviously never been used either. And it looks like they're finishing some backsplash in here, just a little hint of some green. So it's gonna be going up. Good amount of storage though. And then the hood above the stovetop. Fridge, another white appliance. Really kind of, how do you say this? Kind of like a whiteboard effect to it where you could write on it, it looks like. And then I'm just gonna do a quick spin so you can see this direction, just kind of how everything's laid out, right? And we're gonna go this direction, down the hallway. We do have the Nest-like thermostat. It's not a Nest, but that's what it is. The intake for the heater and the furnace. This one does have central heating. And then we have 2 bedrooms upstairs. So this is gonna be the first of the 2 bedrooms. Coming in, we've got what appears to be a queen size bed, and then you do have like room on both sides. I like how they've done the closets too. The closets are kind of just like open shelving and then hanging right here too. Nice little breeze outside. I'm still looking for that lake view. I know it's so close. We might be able to find one. But this is just kind of fun, kind of neat, different. Then we're gonna go down the hallway to the bathroom. So bathroom number 1, we're gonna go into these big black tiles right here, and then a nice one-piece unit up here with like wood down below that you can open. And then quartz countertop, the same quartz that's in the kitchen, and almost like a matching sink to go with it. And then obviously they have one of these like steamer effect things too that you can get the backlight on. So fun. Toilet, and then check this out. So it's got like a herringbone black subway tile with a similar tile from the kitchen that looks just like the countertops. Cast iron tub, and then the water comes out of this. So not quite sure how, but it looks like it's just gonna come out this little slit right there. So beautiful. Black fixtures, and then a rainfall water shower too. Then we're gonna come into bedroom number 2. Got a queen size bed. Maybe might get our view over here. If the water was up, I do think you might be able to get it right around there. But see these parcels, these have come in off of Edgemore, so you're not having anybody right behind you. And we've got a nice closet with the rod inside. No closet doors on these, which I actually like. I think it just, as long as you keep your closets nice, you know, it's not too bad. Some people prefer closet doors, but I like them open. So we are proximity to town, about a 5-minute drive to the lake, 5-minute drive to the lake, like 3-minute drive to the village, and then also about a 5-minute, 6-minute drive to the ski slopes, depending upon what season and what day it is. Here we have a Cow King bed. And then over here, we've got, again, open closet, a little bit larger than the other ones too. But this is more of the master. So kind of just like a closet under the stairs. And then down this hallway, all the smoke detectors are brand new. We've got the master bathroom going into like a gray flooring that's kind of opposite of what the kitchen countertops are. It's like this one's like gray with white veins. The other one's white with gray veins. So kind of fun. You can also get a little stack things in here. And then a floating kind of concrete looking countertop, but it's not concrete, with a black porcelain dual sink. And then everything's just so brand new. All the stickers are on it, obviously. But these, you know, come out, good storage. And this one's gonna have the cutout in there. Again, the backlight and the defogger right here too. And then we've got our shower. So similar as upstairs, we do have black with grays and whites. The same fixtures here, shower. And then this one's gonna be just a plastic tub, whereas that one upstairs was a cast iron. And this looks to be like a Bluetooth device. Probably also maybe like a heating unit, I don't know. And then let's check out this room, the laundry. Good spot for that too, just because this is kind of more of that master bedroom as well. So wash your clothes right here. So this one is just reduced, $444,777. Built in 2026, 3 beds, 2 bath, 1,044 square foot over in the Big Bear Lake neighborhood, close to everything, on a 2,400 square foot lot. Let me know if you want to come up and take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.